Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to use two special ingredients to make a facial moisturizer. Now these two ingredients combined are very unique ingredients. One of them I actually grew up with using it all over my skin because that's what my grandma used on my skin, and the other one is something that I grew up with drinking. And also guys, I'm making lemonade. I'm going to be using Vaseline, which is really petroleum jelly, and I'm also going to use lemon. Now these two ingredients sound like something that you should never ever put together, so in this video I'm going to show you the right way to use these two ingredients on your skin, for smooth skin, for hydrating skin, for dry skin, and also guys, for lightening and brighten the skin. Now if you're out there and you're like, oh, I do not want to use petroleum jelly on my skin, go ahead and use some shea butter. But guess what, give it a try with the petroleum jelly and you might just come back and thank me later. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Before we jump in the kitchen guys, if you're new here, this channel is about a skincare and lifestyle. If you're looking for radiant, naturally glowing skin and you want tips, you're not sure which way to go, you're not sure how to formulate your skincare routine, then this channel is for you. So why not subscribe so that each time we post a video you'll get that notification right away. So click on that subscribe button right now and you're subscribed. And also guys, please watch the video to the end and don't forget to share, and go ahead guys and comment, how do you feel about using petroleum jelly on the skin, or how do you feel about using lemon on the skin? And then I'll come back later in another video and we'll talk about your comments. So go ahead and start commenting right after you watch the video up. Now today I'm going to show you the best way to use lemon and petroleum jelly on the skin to lighten and brighten the skin, smooth the skin, and also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to make sure to wash your lemon. An easy way to wash your lemon is just to put it in some baking soda. Let me just show you really quick. So you get a bowl with water, you pour some baking soda in the water like I'm showing here, baking soda, and you put your lemon in the water and you wash it. Of course you're going to use a bigger bowl to wash your lemon, and you can also leave the lemon in the water for a few minutes or so. This is getting rid of the wax and also the pesticide from the lemon. Now once this is done, you're going to reach for a grater and you're going to zest the lemon. You can also choose to peel the lemon and blend the zest. You can also choose to use dry lemon zest. So we're just zesting. Now once this is done, here we have our lemon zest. We're just gonna scoop our lemon zest in a bowl. We just get everything in the bowl. And then we're gonna reach for some hot water, and we're just gonna put a little, about a tablespoon or so of the hot water, and we're just gonna mix it in. Now once this is done, we're gonna set this aside, and you can make this overnight to brew and cool. Next we're gonna reach for the petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly works on the skin by locking the moisture in the skin. For this recipe, if you do not want to use petroleum jelly, go ahead and use some shea butter. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to melt the petroleum jelly. Before we melt the petroleum jelly, however, we're going to add some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel works on the skin by clearing hyperpigmentation, softening the skin, smoothing the skin. So we're mixing the petroleum jelly with the aloe vera gel. And for faster melting, you can choose to place it over some hot water, and this is going to melt the petroleum jelly really, really fast. So just keep whisking it. We're mixing petroleum jelly and aloe vera gel, and we're just melting the petroleum jelly in the aloe vera gel. Let's go ahead and mix this in. And now this is melting, this is getting really creamy, and this is exactly how you want it to be. How to use Vaseline and lemon on the skin. Now we're going to also go ahead and get some Jamaican black castor oil. And this is an oil that helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. We're using just about a half a teaspoon of the castor oil. My next oil is going to be some papaya seed oil. And I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Use any two of your favorite oils in this. Grapeseed oil, aloe vera oil, apricot oil, any two of your favorite oil. And now we are blending this together, and we are mixing well. Just keep it over the hot water while you are blending. This is a facial cream that you can use all over your skin. We are going to use it to soften the skin, smooth the skin, lock moisture in the skin, but also to lighten and brighten the skin. Now this is getting really, really good. And what we're going to do next, we're going to reach back for our lemon zest. And this is about a tablespoon, and we're just going to strain it. And now let's remove this a little for you to see. So here we have our lemon zest in, and now we are going to quickly blend this in. Now the lemon zest is water, remember that, and we use the aloe vera gel to combine it with the petroleum jelly. And this is why we use the aloe vera. So just mix and mix well. If you're mixing water with oil, one of the best ingredients to use to combine it is aloe vera gel. So we are blending it to a creamy consistency. Just go ahead and mix. So we're just mixing, and we are mixing well. We're mixing petroleum jelly, aloe vera gel, Jamaican black castor oil, papaya seed oil. Mix and mix well. Now guys, you can choose to add one final ingredient to this. You can add some vitamin E oil, or if you want, you can add some vegetable glycerin. I'm going to add a few drops of the vitamin E oil. Pour this in. This is also going to help to preserve this, and just mix well. And now this is ready, and you can use this on your skin right away. However, if you set it aside a day or two to infuse that lemon zest into the mixture, it's going to make it even better and stronger to use on the skin. So now this is done. Let's reach for a storage jar. Now for this recipe, if you want to make more, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. Now let's just pour this out. And here it is, guys. This is the way you use lemon and petroleum jelly on the skin. To use this on the skin, you're going to take a small amount and you're going to apply it all over your face. I prefer to use this at night. You're just going to massage it on the skin. Massage, massage, massage on the skin, all over the skin. You can use this directly on the skin, or you can use it on top of your moisturizer, just a little. This is also good to use over your entire body. So go ahead and add a little bit of this to your body lotion. Help to lighten and brighten the skin, and also help your skin to have that natural glass-like glow.